Video 11 of 24. Body Scan Guided Meditation Practice. To begin, let's just relax the body. Breathe deeply, filling your lungs. And then raise your shoulders, tensing the muscles in the shoulders and the neck. And exhale, relaxing all muscles. Once again, breathe deeply, filling the lungs. Raise your shoulders and tense the muscles in the shoulders and neck. And exhale, relaxing all muscles. And we can repeat one more time. Sitting upright in a comfortable position with your feet flat on the ground, your shoulders back, chin parallel to the floor, spine erect. Allow your hands to relax in a comfortable position onto your lap. And close your eyes. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. And focus your attention on it. Now allow your attention to move to each part of the body as I name it. Simply observe whatever sensations might be occurring in each one. There's no need to become over analytical or over precious. Simply notice and move on. And if there's no apparent sensation occurring, that's okay too. Now, move your attention to the toes of your right foot and to the sole of your right foot, to the top of the foot, to the ankle of your right leg, to the calf of your right leg, the shin, the knee, the thigh, the hip. Move your attention to the toes of your left foot, the top of your left foot, the sole, the ankle of your left leg, the calf, the shin, the knee, the thigh. Allow your attention to flow to your sexual organs, to your behind. Allow your attention to flow to the fingers on your right hand, to the back of your hand, to the palm of your hand, to the wrist on your right arm, to your lower arm, to your elbow, to your biceps on your upper right arm, to your triceps, to the fingers on your left hand, to the back of your hand, to the palm of your hand, to the wrist on your left arm, to your lower arm, to your elbow, to your biceps, to your triceps. Allow your attention to flow to your lower back, to your middle back, to your stomach, to your chest, to the wings on your upper back, to your shoulders, to your neck. Allow your attention to flow to your jawline, to your chin, to your mouth, to your nose, to your right cheek, to your left cheek, to your right ear, to your left ear, to the back of your head, to the top of your head, to your eyes, and to your forehead. And allow your attention to settle in this space in your forehead. Remain present there and rest in the silence.